Hello everyone, welcome to African Root Food. I hope everybody is well. Today I'm making my fish stew, authentic fish stew. This one I have red snapper and mackerel. I have washed it, seasoning and everything. I season with Raja chicken fish seasoning. And here I have onion, and here I have my homemade tomatoes. And here I have thyme, rosemary, one jumbo cube, and then I have garlic. Here I have curry powder, nutmeg. So here, and I have allspice. I have salt, and I have crayfish powder and prawn powder. And here I have my homemade epice. That's the garlic, onion and ginger, and a bit of Scotch bonnet on top that we are going to make our stew with. So first I'm going to fry the fish. So I'm going to add one thyme in there, garlic and rosemary. That's it. And this is optional, you don't have to. And I'm adding a bit of flour and then a tiny bit of it. And that's also optional if you want. I'm gonna add the fish. So we're going to fry this fish for about 10 minutes before we can start our stew. The fish is still cooking. It's almost done, you can see. So we're gonna leave it about 2 minutes again now, and then we'll take it out. So our fish is done. I'm taking them out, and I'm going to start my frying onion. Yeah, we're going to leave this to cook for 2 minutes. Add the ginger, garlic and the onion and the epice. I melted them a bit in the microwave because it was frozen. And my Scotch bonnet also. Mix it nicely. We cook that one as well for 3 minutes. I'm gonna add my rosemary in there and the thyme as well. Yeah. Well, the same time, my spices. The curry powder, allspice, and nutmeg also in there. Mix them together. Oh goodness, it smells so nice. It smells really nice. Now I'm adding my homemade tomatoes. I have a video for these homemade tomatoes. You can go ahead and have a look. We make it easy, not taking too long to, no long thing, be quick and easy, simple. You see, I know where we finish. So I'm going to leave it to cook for about 5 minutes before I can add my fish. Adding the fish powder and the crayfish powder, a bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and the jumbo cube, prawn cube as well. Mix it together And we're going to cover this and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes again, and then so our stew is still cooking. Now we're just going to add the fish into it. Oh, it smells nice. This stew is stubborn a bit. It's splashing everywhere. So we're going to leave the fish and the stew to do introduction, and then we'll show you when it's done. So for additional flavor, I'm adding these onions and 1 orange bell pepper into it. I'm going to mix them. Yeah, so the stew is almost done. So this is our fish stew. It's done. I am serving this with rice. I have made some nice boiled rice that we're going to have this with. So this is the end of our fish stew. I have added rice with it, decorated as usual. Thank you for coming today. I hope this was helpful. Then you come back again, watch us, give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And we see you again. Bye.